Hello, welcome to another session of simultaneous equations. Again, we are using elimination method. Alright, so we are working with a pair of linear equations. Alright, so this is the first linear equation, minus x plus 3y is equal to 6, 8x plus 3y is equal to 24. Here the highest power of x is 1, highest power of y is 1. Highest power of x here is 1, highest power of y here is 1. So this here is a pair of linear equations. Alright, now we're going to use the elimination method to solve this. What do I mean by the term to eliminate? It means I want to get rid of one term. Alright, so first things first, let's label the equations. So here is equation 1, here is equation 2. Alright, let's look at our like terms. Alright, let me see. I have minus x here and I have 8x here. Alright, if I go to add equation 1 with equation 2 or subtract equation 1 with equation 2, I will not get rid of this here. Alright, unless I was to multiply equation 1 by 8, then that would be a solution. Okay. Let's keep that in mind. Alright, that's one option. Okay, let's look at this here. Well, here I have 3y, and I also have 3y. Coefficient here is 3, coefficient here is 3. Positive, positive. So it makes sense, maybe the easier way to just take equation 1 and subtract from equation 2. And I'm going to get rid of the y term. Much easier and much faster. Alright, so let's see what happens. Alright, just trying to make sure that I'm nice and neat here. Alright. Alright, as we just said, if I take equation 1 and I subtract from equation 2, alright, this here means subtraction. Alright, this here means to subtract. Alright. Okay, so minus x minus 8x. Alright, signs. Minus x minus 8x will give me minus 9x. y, take away 3y is 0y. Alright, so you get rid of the y term here. Alright, 6 minus 24. 6 minus 24. What that could be? 24 minus 6. Alright, so 6 minus 24 will give me minus 18. Alright, 6 minus 24. Alright, gives me minus 18. Divide by minus 9 on both sides. Alright, so I divide by minus 9 on both sides. What do I get? I get x is equal to minus 18 divided by minus 9. Alright, now negative divided by negative will give me a positive value. So your x is equal to the value of 2. Alright, now I'm not finished with that, that's just half of the story. Alright, I need to work out the value of y. Alright, so I can take x equal to 2 and substitute into equation 1 or equation 2. I have a choice in the matter. My suggestion is that we go with equation 1. Alright, because I don't already have so many big terms to work with here as opposed to equation 2. Alright. Now you can go ahead and substitute equation 2. You are going to get the same answer. Alright. So I substitute x equal to 2 in equation 1. Let's see what happens. Alright, so remember it's minus x, so this becomes minus 2. You need to pay attention to your signs. Now here is minus x. Don't forget those signs. Alright? Makes a difference. Plus 3y equals to 6. Alright? So you end up, so you're going to carry across the minus 2 to the other side, to the right side. When I do, I'm going to get a change in sign. So you get 3y is equal to 6 plus 2. Alright? So you get that y is equal to 8. Alright, so you get y is equal to 8 divided by 3. Alright, so 3y is equal to 8. So this tells me that y is equal to 8/3. Alright, so y is equal to 8/3. So now this tells me that x equal to 2 and y is equal to 8/3. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 8/3. Now these two values satisfy this pair of equations. Alright, if I take x equal to 2, I substitute inside equation 1, I take y is equal to 8/3. Alright, and I substitute back here, it should be equal back to 6. Alright, let's double check. Alright, so I get minus 2 plus 3 times 8/3. Let's see what I get. I get minus 2 Alright, so minus 2 plus 3 times 8/3 is where we had reached. And I substitute inside there, back into equation 1, I get back equals to 6. So we know that x equal to 2, y is equal to 8/3 doesn't in fact satisfy the values, doesn't in fact satisfy this pair of equations. Alright, so this here is just a way to double check your answer. Alright, not very necessary, there's a way, a method of double checking your answer to make sure that you are correct. Similarly, if you take x equal to 2, y is equal to 8/3 and substitute back into equation 2, right, you will get back to 24. Alright, okay, thanks for listening. Stay tuned.